Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to trick. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't.
Hi fam, welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another vlog. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new to this channel, please don't leave without subscribing. Guys, thank you so much for the engagement in the last video. You guys made me so proud, you made me so happy. A lot of you really missed me and I really appreciate hearing that. I appreciate the engagement. I appreciate you guys liking and viewing the video, of course. So thank you. Thank you so much. This is my official thank you to you guys. So we are kickstarting today's vlog by doing a quick grocery run. We're going to go to ShopRite Maseru Mall. I am currently just waiting for Bay, and as soon as he gets here, we are going to go to Maseru Mall, and I'm taking you guys with me. I hope I'm able to show you guys what I buy. But if I get home and things are not crazy, then I will definitely show you guys what I got. But if I get home and things are crazy, I might not show you what I buy, but I will see you in the next day of this vlog. Sorry guys, my lips are really dry, so yeah, so that's basically what we're doing today and nothing more. I will see you guys on the next day of the vlog. Bye.
You got someone new, I know it. Yeah, but I will keep on denying. Gotta keep my emotions from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. Yeah, 'cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. Wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while. Just be human for a while. I'm messed up, oh yeah, I know it. All alone with mixed emotions. Yeah, gotta keep my temper from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. 'Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. Wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while. Just be human for a while. 'Cause I go
guys, welcome to the next day of this vlog. I thought I should come here to update you guys. So yesterday in the evening we went to Hamadala, guys, to buy smoked chicken. Like if you're from here, then you know what I'm talking about. Hakere. Smoked chicken sa Hamadala. Guys, no, that place is underrated. There's actually a car parked right next to the Hamadala circle, and I'm sure you guys saw the clip, guys. No, I'm sure that it makes a lot of money because that chicken is absolutely out of this world. It's delish. And if you're watching this and you know the place I'm talking about, please do try it. Guys, go and try that smoked chicken. I was so blown away. Like, I was totally blown away. Like I always pass by there and see it, and I never thought big of it or anything. But Bay actually suggested that we try it, and we did. Like I wasn't even that wild. Like when we were buying, I just thought, okay, smoked chicken and stuff. And honestly, on the way home, I was just thinking, I'm not gonna enjoy this food. Like it was me all the way to home, and I thought I'm not gonna enjoy it. Yeah, I enjoyed that food so much. I loved it. And you know what? I have to be a regular there. I'm actually gonna be a regular. I'm gonna be a regular. Wow. Like I'm still so blown away. So if you're watching this and you know exactly what I'm talking about, guys, you should definitely go try that chicken. And if you've tried it before and you're watching this, please leave me a comment down below and tell me how your experience has been with that place, and tell me if I'm right when I say, hey la, that chicken is just, it's amazing. So as I said, I'm gonna be a regular. Cool. I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog because I'm enjoying myself shooting everything for you guys. You know I love you so much, you guys. All right, I will catch you later or maybe on the next day of the vlog, yo. Bye. Hey guys, I'm at Maseru Mall. I made a quick stop to buy a few things. I just thought I should catch you guys up, and I really just wanted to close today's vlog on a high note. Well, the vlog for today, that's what I meant. And I really didn't want to take you guys with me because obviously we already did shopping together, so that's not gonna work. And yeah, that is it for today. I will definitely see you guys on the next day of the vlog. Hey guys, good morning. I am at Blue Ribbon and I'm here to buy croissants, but the queue, you guys, the queue is too much. So I just marked my spot and I thought I should wait in the car. And yo, guys, even people who are stocking for their shops by here, so we have the same queue. And oh yeah, anyway, you guys, let me go outside. I think I'm moving closer. Yeah, see you in a minute. All right guys, so I just got back and I was going to buy these Blue Ribbon croissants. If you know, you know, they are so delish. Of course they're not like your pick and pack croissants and stuff, but honestly they're still really good. So yeah, let us go home right now.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let it go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the car. lorito. Dime si te acuerdas cuando estaba aquí. Purple flowers, escuchando a Takiti. Siempre en mi mente cuando piense en ti. Hablándome en otro idioma, sí, baby. 사랑한다고 말해줘. 사랑한다고 말해줘.
Hi guys, welcome to the next day of this vlog. We are out with Moto and Mutumbora guys. She was late as always. Late, fine. She was late. It's cool. I was expecting it. We are at Novo Hub at Kingsway Road, and the view here is just out of this world. I just love that it's outside and it's very chillable. Also, oh, thank you. Indiana brand. I love brand, but not today. Guys, before I was interrupted, I wanted to tell you guys that we are at Noble Hub at Kingsway Road, and guys, I just love that it's outside and it's so chilled. I'm actually gonna take a shot from afar so I can show you guys where we are because when we got here, I couldn't do that. Anyway, today is Women's Day, and I highlight at Moto that we should come grab a coffee or tea. So yeah, just to celebrate Women's Day and stuff, and we're really enjoying ourselves so far. But Moto is busy working, guys. That's what I mean. She's working. Moto, oh no, Moto, I'm busy. I have to work. Since I work from home, I'll take my work everywhere and I'll be working. It's fine. We can chill, but I'll be working. Like, oh my god, boring. Anyway, fine.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder.
So thank you so much for joining me for this vlog. It's been really wonderful. Moto and I are about to leave this place, so I thought I should say a few words to women because you guys you go through a lot. In fact, I should just include myself. We women are so strong. We go through a lot, but still we go on, we hold on tight. So today on Women's Day, I really just want to wish you well. I want you to hold on if you're going through a tough time, and if everything is going well for you, I want you to be so grateful for what is going well. You cannot stress how much women go through, but we always pull through, and we're beautiful like that, we're powerful like that, we are strong like that. So guys, happy Women's Day, and definitely happy Women's Month. You guys know how much I love you. I want Motu to come say a few words with me, but she is busy working. You guys, thank you so much. I will definitely see you guys on the next vlog. I love you so much. Big love from me to you. Bye.
Would you love me better if I go? I'm